relative, absolute, and mixed cell referencing. Calling cells by just their column and row labels such as A1 is called relative referencing. When a formula contains relative referencing and it is copied from one cell to another, Excel does not create an exact copy of the formula. It will change cell addresses relative to the row and column they are moved to. For example, if a simple addition formula in cell C1 is equal to A1 plus B1 is copied to cell C2, the formula would change to A2 plus B2 to reflect the new row. To prevent this change, cells must be called by absolute referencing, and this is accomplished by placing dollar signs within the cell addresses in the formula. Continuing the previous example, the formula in cell C1 would be read $A, $1 plus $B, $1 if the value of cell C2 should be the sum of cells A1 and B1. Both the column and row of both cells are absolute and will not change when copied. Mixed referencing can be used where only the row or column is fixed. For example, in the formula A$1 plus $B2, the row of cell A1 is fixed and the column of B2 is fixed. Basic functions. Functions can be a more efficient way of performing mathematical operations than formulas. For example, if you wanted to add the values of cells D1 through D10, you would type the formula is equal to D1 plus D2 plus D3 plus D4 plus D5 plus D6 plus D7 plus D8 plus D9 plus D10. A shorter way would be to use the sum function and simply type is equal to sum bracket D1 is to D10. Several other functions and examples are given in this table. Function, example, description. Sum is equal to sum bracket A1 is to A100. Finds the sum of cells A1 through A100. Average is equal to average brackets B1 is to B10. Finds the average of cells B1 through B10. Max is equal to max brackets C1 is to C100. Returns the highest value from cells C1 through C100. Min is equal to min brackets D1 is to D100. Returns the lowest value from cells D1 through D100. SQRT is equal to SQRT brackets D10. Find the square root of the value in cell D10. Today is equal to today brackets. Returns the current date. Leave the parenthesis empty and without any space in between. Function wizard. View all functions available in Excel by using the Insert Function button. Activate the cell where the function will be placed and click the Insert Function button on the formula bar. From the Insert Function dialog box, browse through the functions by clicking in the Select a Category menu and select the function from the Select a Function Name choices. As each function name is highlighted, a description and example of use is provided below. Click OK to select a function. The next window allows you to choose the cells that will be included in the function. In the example below, cell C3 is automatically selected for the sum function by Excel. The cell values 22 is located to the right of the number 1 field where the cell addresses are listed. If another set of cells such as B5 or C5 needed to be added to the function, those cells will be added in the format B5 to C5 to the number 2 field. Click OK when all the cells for the function have been selected.